We are so happy Bitcoin is going up, and today we unveil this pattern, the Bitcoin road to $1 million, maybe. You want to know everything about that? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, fun on the ride, and as I'm telling you, today we are so happy. Why is that? Because Bitcoin is going to a new all-time high, 45,500 right now. So this is the 5th day in a row we are getting to all-time highs in 2023. So good watching Bitcoin going up, and this feels like this. It was 43 first, then 44, and we are holders there just waiting, and then we have these surprises like, what? You're here? I thought you'll never be here again. I thought we were going to 9,600, and you're back. You bring your friend, the $60,000 friend? No? That would be awesome too. The girlfriend now interested again in yourself, and everybody is so happy. You just hug with your friend. The 40-something dollars. Awesome stuff. Also, as I'm telling you, after that 43, we had the 44, and you have everybody just nervous right now. Like, oh my God, are we going to the new all-time high soon? Are we going to that $1 million? Well, I believe we are, but we have to wait a little bit until that's happened. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Yesterday, a new all-time high, and we went up 2,506% in just 24 hours. This is the road to $1 billion. Well, maybe that, and I'm going to reveal that to you right now. If you find this interesting, remember to smash the like button. Here we have the situation right now. This is the Bitcoin pattern since 2023 started, and we are going to try to find a moment in Bitcoin history with this pattern just happened exactly the same or almost exactly the same. So we use with TradingView, link in the description below, the ghost pattern, and I have it right now, and I'm gonna move it and try to find it at the beginning of Bitcoin. And you can see here 2012 and 2013 that, well, we have some good times, but the pattern is not quite similar. It was crazier in my opinion. If we go to the last times Bitcoin went up, you can see that also the charts look quite different. But oh boy, if we go to 2015, as we were telling you since a long time ago, you can see that we are following the path right now as we did in the past. Is almost exactly, the behavior is almost exactly the same. So why this can be the road to $1 million? Because now, if we found the moment that in history was the same, remember, this is not financial advice. I have no clue whatsoever what's going to happen. I'm not expert, but I believe it might happen something like this in the future. So if we are following that path, what's going to happen right now? Well, you can see that if we use the ghost pattern to have everything that happened from 2015 to 2017, you can see here our future, maybe our bright future. Right now, by December, we might be in the $50,000. We're going up, but we can still go higher. We missed this peak, but maybe we have another one here. Then we're going to be flat, go down for a little bit, some correction, but you can see after that $50,000 in 1 year, exactly in January 2025, we'll be celebrating here on Fun on the Right the $1,000 for one Bitcoin. And almost, allegedly, according to this crazy pattern, this unveil pattern, will have Bitcoin on the $1 million. Yoo-hoo! That would be amazing. We want that to happen, but in order to that to happen, just leave me a comment below what do you think about all this crazy stuff. We need Bitcoin to keep on going higher, and we are 165%, approximately something more, 185 we can say, since the bottom of this cycle, and we still need to go higher. We told you everything about this in past videos. If you want more chart analysis, just go there. And now the Scalping Pro telling us that, yeah, we still just 56% to the all-time high. So come on, Bitcoin, we can do it. We'll do it together here. Remember in past video, I told you also about the relationship between fiat, between dollar and Bitcoin right now, and how Bitcoin is going up, even though dollar is going up too. And we have this 13th of December, the Fed decision for the rates. Very, very interesting stuff. We'll see about that. We told you also about the gold, and some friends on Twitter follow us there, just giving us good stuff like this futuristic view of our dear friend Peter Schiff. He loves gold, he hates Bitcoin, and you can see how he's not doing any better. Maybe in the future Bitcoin will be in that $1 million and gold will still in the same price all the time. It doesn't happen often that gold goes higher. We'll see in the future. Also, philosopher of the Andamio telling us that there's a whale out there buying Bitcoin like crazy. And the thing is, according to Bitcoin News, that over the past 10 weeks, we just had the largest institutional inflow in the market since October 2021, when we had the futures-linked ProShares ETF launch, the first in the United States. So the situation quite similar again to the thing we are having right now with the ETF approval on spot for Bitcoin. Crypto Ruber now telling us that maybe 46,800 is the next level, and a lot of people considering the new resistances we have out there, like Stock Money Lizards, saying that the pre-halving peak is not reached yet. We have a target of 48,250K. What about Titan of Crypto? The first target is done already, 43.2. Now, again, 48.8 and 50.9. A lot of people believe, like Mr. Crypto, we're going to 48, and maybe 45 is for sure something achievable. Rec Capital, some people now making memes and jokes about death, calling 45 already. The Crypto Proof also telling us we are about to go to 48,000, even see $60,000 in the near future. In Dr. Profit here that believes that after we go to that 48K, we might have a strong recovery, a strong moment, so that Bitcoin needs to go lower, maybe that 30% retracement, in order to keep on going higher in the future. But not many people are ready for Bitcoin going to the $1 million or higher. The Scalping Pro just drawing us here a possible scenario there that would be amazing. And again, some friends on Twitter using ChatGPT to follow the sequence of prices that January had for Bitcoin. Allegedly, according to that, says ChatGPT, Bitcoin might be next January in the $142,000, which would be crazy, crazy good. Maybe you want to consider some indicators like the RSI, when then we still need to wait a little bit. We are just crazy far from the rising wage, so maybe we can forget about this, following that path we told you in 2015. And now for the weekly on Bitcoin, remember that we had like 4, 5, 6, now we are about to close 8 weeks in the green. And now we are forgetting about some moments in the past and comparing the situation with other moments where we have those 7, 8 green candles. And you can see it's all good news, and good news. It doesn't matter when you look at it, it's a good stuff. We'll zoom in more about this in the next crypto news. But today, let me tell you also the bad news. The bad news is that we have a gap in the CME future. And remember, those usually got filled like 90%. We filled the last ones, 3 in a row. And now we have to go to 39,300 in order to close this one. I believe this will happen eventually. And then we have another one in the 34,000 and 30,000. And some other if you go lower. So maybe you think you're out of crypto, but maybe we will still have these opportunities as Bitcoin goes down. We need Jim Cramer to keep on saying that Bitcoin is a good idea. Bitcoin is up 82% since Jim Cramer told investors to sell 9 months ago. And also BTC Andres making fun of this article in La Vanguardia that said that Bitcoin was no good and Spanish bonds, treasury letters were the good stuff. If we go to ChatGPT and ask about those, the rentability just went down 3.3%. Went down 2 at 3.3%. So you can compare how things went for Bitcoin and how things went for this instrument and make fun of everybody. The market anyways today is in the red right now. The bubbles are crazy. We have the meme coins in the green, Dogecoin and Pepe that I look on, of course, dextools.io, link in the description below, and you can see that we are about to breaking this line, this white line. It's very important moment for Pepe, and I can tell you now that I'm in the profit with Pepe. I'm around 50 euros up in my investment. So should I sell it right now? Or what do you think? And about Chico Crypto, long time since I watched a video. He's back on track now with the bull market. And very interesting video, the last one that he created, where he is telling us some interesting stuff. He believes that considering market domination for Bitcoin and all those cycles, how the money comes into Bitcoin and then it goes into altcoins, we still need more time for Bitcoin. But then remember that the smart money will front run other assets. So once you are buying Bitcoin, they will start selling it to you and buying those altcoins. So we will have to prepare ourselves for that. I will tell you everything about it on Crypto News FunOntheRide. Let's see if this bull market will take advantage of all the knowledge we have from the previous one. And also very interesting that we will have an ETF on spot for Bitcoin in United States, allegedly, and probably also for Ethereum. But he's telling us in the last video, I leave you the link in the description below, that Chainlink might be the third cryptocurrency with an ETF in United States. What do you think about that? Alex Becker also telling us that the altcoin market is still down 75%. We see that 56% we still need for Bitcoin to all-time high, but altcoin market is still down 75%. And if we go to gaming, where we are 90% of its high. So we still need that 1.5 trillion in the market. We'll see how far can we get with that. And more stuff, more things to tell you today. As we told you in previous videos, that Chainlink, that rewards, you still need one more day in order to be able on staking with Chainlink V2. But I'm doing that since last week. Remember to watch this IOTA video where you have also all the information about Chainlink. And we will talk about this more next week. I'm making 0.7 link, which is right now around $12. So interesting. If you want to do the same, watch that video I'm telling you about. Be careful being greedy, but we are greedy. And it's no wonder, because if you go to FunOntheRide.com to useful application, we have these tools here, that infinite market cap, that will tell you that Bitcoin is in #1 right now in assets in the world. Meta, Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla, Visa, and some others are again below Bitcoin, which is a very good piece of information. We'll see about the most important ones. If we can be in the green, they are trying to be in the green. We see the market turning from red to green and so on and so forth. So we have to be patient. Remember the monthly video we created, and now we are being very optimistic because we are in the 16% up, when in 2015 we had just a 14% up. So we might even have a better December that we had at that point. Ethereum also all-time high once in a row. We are above 2,300. Awesome news for Ethereum. We are so far from the millenary line right now, and good stuff, good information out there. Like, for example, the ETF from BlackRock got just $100,000 in institution found. So cool. And the bad one would be today that the SEC and Gary Gensler, they decided to delay the decision about the Ethereum ETF spot. Okay, we knew that. The good one today is about Coinbase. You have the link in the description below if you want to use it. And now they have this tool, this application, where you can send your crypto if you have Telegram, if you have Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, just with one click. You will go to your wallet on Coinbase wallet, and you will ask for that link. You send this to your friend, and he will have to install the wallet and send your money. So just like Visum in Spain, very, very simple, easy to use. You'll get a message like this one. And if you wonder about the fees, well, there's zero fees. It's completely free, allegedly. So cool stuff. If you want to learn, maybe Coinbase is a good starter point. And we have some videos if you are new, because now I'm finding in the comments below more trolling. So that means that we are in the bull run because we have hate out there in the comments below. But also we have a lot of love. And also we have people saying that, hi, I'm a beginner, I'm just here. Well, I will recommend you to go to our website, and there you have basic Bitcoin. And I will recommend you to watch all these 3 videos and some others before buying anything. And remember that maybe crypto is the solution for the future. In 1950, if you were a couple, you can buy this house. Also in 1960, in 1970. But now, if you are in like 2023, you have to find roommates to buy that house because it's impossible. This is something that Bitcoin is trying to fix, and we might. So give you as a Christmas present some knowledge about Bitcoin, or maybe good stuff we told you on social media. Maybe you want to buy a treasure. I leave you the link in the description below. Also 10% for coin tracking, that a Christmas present. Maybe you want to buy things on Amazon using our link, so you help us, or just Audible because we get a very nice commission with that and it's free for you. But our friend Tanya control the girl that is behind all the social media and all this stuff. She's crazy with AI, and that's why you find all those Twitter articles about Christmas. She's creating them with these tools we told you in AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence. And with that, she created a lot of Christmas themes. We have some Santas, some cookie Santas also. Then we have also some cookies, bubbles, crystal balls. We have snowmans there, and we have some socks for Santa. And we have, of course, some cats for the Christmas cats section. Even we have some deers there. And for a real cat, we have today Michael Jackson saying goodbye. It's black, it's white, it's black, it's white. It's back. The market, the bull market is back. Now we keep on researching for the next crypto news, and you keep on learning by watching one of these videos. Here, crypto news, fun on the ride, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!